Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Couple. Today we're taking simple Dollar Tree items and turning them into high-end room decor. So if you love simple DIYs that only cost a few dollars, today's video is perfect for you. Let's jump in and get started. The first thing we're going to do is take this glass from Dollar Tree and paint it. I'm using the spray paint and the color is gray. So once we have that painted gray, we're going to go ahead and add some texture to it. For the texture, all I'm going to do is take some black paint and a paper towel. So I'm going to water this down a little bit and then I'm going to start dabbing this all around it. I felt like the paint alone was a little bit flat, so that's why we're adding some texture. Hopefully we can get a really nice high-end look and give it some more depth. Next, we're going to add some legs for this, and this is just one of the larger craft dowels from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut these into 4 even sections. And then to finish those legs, I'm going to add some of our favorite stain, this nutmeg from General Finishes. Next, we want to attach the legs to our planter, so I'm just using some hot glue, and I'm going to attach these in each corner. I really love how this turned out. I think with the legs and the texture on the actual glass there, that it looks super high-end and modern, and I think you could put this with a lot of different decor styles. For this project, you'll want to start with one of these wood decor pieces that have the beads going around the edge. And what we're going to do is use some paint here. I'm just using some leftover sample paint that we had from other projects, and I'm going to go ahead and paint the entire piece. Next, you'll want one of these craft crates, and we're going to go ahead and paint that the same color as the decor piece. Next, I thought it would be fun to add some gold on the beads, so I'm taking this rub and buff and I'm going to use a little paintbrush and apply that onto all the beads going around the edge. For this project, we're going to be using these really cool plates from Dollar Tree, and the first thing that I'm going to do is spray paint it gold. For this piece, I wanted to give it a vintage or antique look, so I'm just using some black paint, and you can water it down just a little bit, but I'm going to start around the edges and make that really dark and then work my way into the center, making it a little bit less. So I really want the wear to be around the outside and then the inside not so much. You can add as much distressing as you want, or you can do a little bit less than this. But I think overall this makes a really cool vintage style mirror. And then this mirror that we're attaching we got from the hobby store. You can find this online as well. We're going to start by creating the base for this little planter that we're building, and all I'm going to do is take a ruler and I'm going to measure from each corner to the center, and then we're going to drill a hole right where those meet up. Next, we need to attach one of these smaller craft dowels from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to slide that in the hole there and then use some hot glue to secure that in place. I'm going to take one of these Dollar Tree beads and place this on top just to give it a little bit more of a clean and polished look. And the last part of our structure is going to be 2 of these craft containers from Dollar Tree. You can kind of place these on however you like. I decided to just do 1 on each side and then have them staggered, 1 at the top and then 1 towards the bottom. And to finish these up, the last part is to add some paint, and I went with a matte black color just to give it a really clean modern look. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.